Hi everyone, I am Naledi Mnisi of Naledi Mnisi Media Production, and today ngizonitshela ngokuthi iNaledi Mnisi Media Production idila nani. We believe that every story deserves to be told with purpose and quality. We are a creative media company dedicated to capturing moments that matter, from community events and corporate projects to interviews, promotions, and digital content. With a passion for storytelling and an eye for detail, we turn ideas into a powerful visual that connect, inspire, and leave a lasting impact. Whether you're a brand, an entrepreneur, or a community organization, we help you share your message professionally and authentically. Naledi Mnisi Media Production, telling your story the right way. So yikho konke ke lokho esikwenzayo as iNaledi Mnisi Media Production. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.